Here are 3 reasons why your website probably isn't getting any organic traffic. Hi, my name is Jason Pittock and I am doing 100 videos about SEO. Today is day 30 of 100, so I'm pretty excited because it's 30% of the way through my challenge. So I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why your website is probably not ranking in Google. Now, outside of all of the variations out there in the world of SEO and obviously online marketing, I'm going to narrow it down to 3 probabilities, and this is based on my years of experience doing SEO and seeing websites. Number 1, your on-page experience is extremely poor. Now, you will be shocked how many websites I come across every single day working in this industry. 12 hours a day, 365 for the last 6 or 7 years, I see websites today with extremely poor on-page experience. Now, on-page experience can be very low, a very high bounce rate. That means your loading times are very long. People aren't really engaging with your content. You don't have good time on site. Your content doesn't render properly on mobile. It doesn't render properly on an iPad or on a tablet. On-page experience is the number 1 reason why websites are or will fail. Now, it's very important that you make sure that your website is optimized for all devices, and most importantly, your core web vitals have been passed, as in Google, you've passed the minimum, you might say, benchmark that Google establishes for a positive user experience. The second reason why the majority of websites don't get enough traffic is lack of content structure. And that means that your content is structured towards a specific audience and a specific keyword or content class that you want to target. Now, I see a lot of blogs and a lot of pieces of content out there that they're just completely diluted. So you're looking at a website and I see that there is lots of different conversations going on the blog, on their pillar pages, on their SEO content. And the reason being, the why they're not ranking is that they haven't consolidated their authority in a specific niche or a specific vertical. And it doesn't mean that you can't rank for multiple conversations, but you have to rank for one first before you can rank for a second. You can't open up 7 conversations and maintain 7 conversations unless you have an army or a team of content creators and SEO experts to help you through that process. Now, there are businesses and organizations that can do that. But if you are a small or medium-sized business, the second reason I see is that the lack of content structure generally means a very diluted authority and next to no organic traffic. And the third reason, which is probably the perfect segue from content, is domain authority and obviously your authority score of your domain. Now, this is a bit of a vanity metric, and I do talk about it here on the channel, and I do talk about it in most of our programs, our SEO training programs, and obviously our SEO services. We do talk a lot about domain authority, but unfortunately, domain authority is something you need to care about. Although Google and other search engines don't talk about this because obviously it is a metric that has been created by technologies like Moz, Ahrefs, SEMrush to help businesses understand what they're doing right or what they're doing wrong to help build their online authority, specifically related to getting more content, getting your content more visible on search engines. It does matter because if your website has been around for a long period of time and your domain authority has just been stagnant, you haven't been contributing to building it, then most likely any content you publish isn't going to get the traction it should or the visibility that it could to reach the audience that you want to influence. So domain authority is something that businesses should care about, and there is a bigger conversation behind domain authority, which is obviously backlinks, PR, making sure that your website performance and user experience is positive, time on site, click-through rates. There are different metrics, or you might say initiatives around domain authority. But these are the 3 reasons why the majority of websites don't perform, don't get the organic traffic they would like to see, and most importantly, don't really succeed at acquiring traffic from organic sources. So I hope you found this video interesting. If you are interested in any other SEO topics, just put me an idea in the comment here on YouTube, and I will definitely come back to you with a video either covering the topic that you want or covering it in one of my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.